How to make an output from facilities in a file in the program. On the initial screen, select the file you want to work with. There are 3 fields in the upper right part of the screen. In the first field, select the facility or choose all of them. In the second field, you can set the view. It is the data that are relevant for the output. The third field is used to search in the file. In the lower right corner is the Output button. Click on it and select the language. A window with a preview will open. Choose the format at the bottom of the screen. You can choose Print, PDF, Excel, HTML, or text document. Click on the desired format and you will get required information. At the same time, the file is saved to the selected folder. Click to open and the output will be displayed in the desired format. Click the Close button to return to the file. In a simple way, you can make outputs from any operation or the entire file.